So I went from getting 2 to 3 sales every single day to eventually making 15, sometimes 20 sales per day by making a single change. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So initially, I used to source my products by using Amazon. Now, everyone uses Amazon. So I would go on Amazon's best sellers, the best products, the best categories, sometimes home and kitchen, sometimes baby products. These actually sell really, really well. So I would go on this category and find the best products on there. Now, I would move this product onto my own store on eBay to sell. Now, this works for some time. You'll make 2 sales here and there, but the issue with this is that it is usually overly saturated in the sense that everybody else also uses Amazon when they first start eBay dropshipping. So this means that you're going to have a lot of competitors. Many people are going to be selling the same products as you, so it means that you either have to cut down your profits or you just don't get any sales at all because other people are selling your own products. So this wasn't bad, but I had to actually scale the entire business. So that was when I came across Zik Analytics, and this was the game changer. They have 2 features that I personally use that actually changed the game for me, and I'm going to show you exactly how they work. First one is the competitor research tool, and how this works is that you want to find a competitor on eBay and you pretty much snap all of their products, their best ones, and you're selling the exact same thing. So the first thing I would do is go on eBay, and I'll need to find other eBay dropshippers as well. And this is very, very easy. If you have some products already or even some products on Amazon, just put these products up on eBay and you'll be able to find other sellers that you can sort of tell that they are also dropshippers. Just look at the products that they sell. So now I was able to come across one person right here, and I'm just going to copy his name. And once I have done that, I'll go back onto Zik Analytics and I will paste that person's name. So now the software is going to go through the entire store to find the best products they're selling, and it's also going to confirm if this person is a dropshipper. And right here we can see that they are a dropshipper, so this confirms that. This is another way to know. They have 19,000 products, and this person is making around 15k in sales every 30 days. So they are one of the big boy dropshippers. I'm giving you guys this for free. You can go and snap the exact same person if you want to. We can see that some of the products that they sell, if we click right here, we will see that it's going to show us the exact products on Amazon. It's going to take us there, show us everything, every detail, literally everything we need has been provided. So now in order to actually get this person's products, we now need to go onto the bulk scanner. So now the bulk scanner is going to find every product, match them together, find it on Amazon, find it on eBay, and now we have been provided with every product, the price. You can see that some of the image matches and some do not. So that is something to just watch out for. It's not a big deal, but most of the time, most products will be accurate in the sense that it's going to find the exact product on Amazon. If I don't want to go through this individually, all I literally have to do is copy the entire product. Now I just have to move this product onto my own folder on Zik Analytics. And once I have done that, all of these products, I can literally choose to list them whenever I want to. Now this is one of the game changers. Now what this does is that it pretty much gets rid of every dead product that you don't need. The dead products that I used to have listed before on Amazon, I no longer have to waste time listing as products. So this is finding me products that I've sold in the past, products that other big boy sellers are selling. So in the past 30 days, these items have sold at the minimum of at least once. So if I want to take even better products, so let's say only products that have sold twice in the past 30 days, then I can literally set that to a minimum of 2 sales. So as soon as I had this feature, I was able to find 5-10 sellers that are literally doing the exact same thing, found all of them, did a whole bulk search on the entire store, and I was able to just keep taking their products every single month and listing it onto my own store. So this was how I was able to increase my sales. Now the second tool is known as Autopilot. If you really want to be lazy and you don't want to do any work at all, now they have you sorted. Autopilot works by simply finding products for you. You click on a few buttons, exactly what you want to find, and it will do the rest for you. You can see that based on my history, literally in the past few months, I've just been searching and searching for new products. So if I wanted to find some new products now, all I simply need to do is click on new scans. I just need to title this whatever I want to. Here on categories, you can set the exact categories that you want to find. If I literally want just baby products, or let's say clothing or health. So now the important thing here for me is just the sales. I want the sales to be at least a minimum of 3 sales. The rest technically does not matter. I use only Prime personally. Sometimes I do use similar items, but just be worried that similar items might not be Prime. And now maximum products just show me as much as possible. I can also set the data range. So if I want 3 sales in the past 21 days, then I can set that. But 3 sales in the past 30 days is enough for me, and all I need to do is just start the scan. So just like that, it is done. It was able to find 108 items, and this is 108 items that hasn't been found in the past on my store already. So as long as I have this previous searches here, it is going to try not to duplicate these items. So it's always going to try to find new items every single time. So now we're able to see all the items I was able to find for me. We can see that most of them literally match and you can see the item on eBay, you can see the item on Amazon. On eBay, this is exactly the item that I was able to find for me, and it shows me the seller. Now I can even copy the seller now and put them onto the competitor research tool, and now I'll be able to go through all their other listings to find even better products if I wanted to. But now that I've done it this way, it's very, very simple, and all I have to do is literally upload all, or just export all the items onto a folder and just upload it that way. I can even upload directly onto softwares like AutoDS if I want to, straight from here. So it is a powerful tool, and this is like the laziest thing. This is something I do once every month. I'll do this, find a ton of products. Once the products have been found, I'll just list them onto my store, and that is it. It's very, very, very simple. Now you can see how much of a game changer this is, because initially having to go through Amazon, finding individual products, copying the ASINs, pasting it onto your store is a bit long, and the competitor research tool works perfectly as well, but that one requires you to do a few more things. But this is like as lazy as possible. You just have to click a few buttons and you're good to go. I usually use this for eBay dropshipping specifically, but we do know there are caps and there's only so much money you can make on eBay. But if you would like to scale and make even more money overall, and you want to sell on your own store, then I'll highly recommend that you check out Spocket, because Spocket is a game changer, and it allows you to find several suppliers, independent suppliers in the US or the EU, that are actually able to provide you with product with quick shipping that you can send to your customers as quick as possible. These suppliers allow you to actually test out the products yourself before you eventually order bulk to sell to your customers. Spocket also provides 24/7 customer support in case you need any help at any moment, at any time. And one of the issues that we personally hate is when products take too long to get imported onto your store and there's so much hassle. So I can tell you that actually adding products to your store is extremely simple. And one of the best things about them is that you can actually speak directly to these suppliers. You are able to communicate with them, talk prices, discuss with them whatsoever you want to do, but you can speak directly to these suppliers. So that means that you are able to actually almost have your own personal supplier that you can have a long-term relationship with to build your store and hopefully make, exponential amount of money on your own store on places like Shopify, Wix, or even Squarespace. And you're able to maximize your profits without having to worry about other platforms actually taking some of the cut. So do check out the description below to open a free account or try out one of their premium accounts on a trial, and you can see if it actually suits you.